I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me. You beside me. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. Yeah, 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 yeah. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive, as long as I have it, you by my side. Yeah, I'm alright, yeah. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, you stay on my mind, on my mind. Ooh, I like all the time. I like all the time. Need you right now. Need you.
Alright everyone, Petalisbless here. Hey! Okay, this is the unit on, and it's its natural state. And all I did was I gelled it down with some got2b spritz spray, the holding spray. And I just tied it so I would hold it on. And now I'm going to share with you my makeup. So this is the sheer butter. I like to apply this onto my face. I use it every day. Now this is going to be, like I said, I'm not a makeup expert. This is how I apply my makeup. So I'm going to start with the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Complete Powder Foundation. And the color I have it in is 355 Coconut. Yeah. Anyways, like I was saying before, I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing with you how I apply my everyday makeup for myself, which I call myself Oxy Girl because I have on the oxygen. And you know, no matter what trials and stuff you have in life, you fix up yourself, make yourself look nice, and you feel good. Doesn't matter what ailment you have. Remember, you have the ailment, don't let it have you. Yes, that's my motto. And I think it should be yours too. Okay, now I'm going to apply this CoverGirl Clean Matte Foundation, and it's a little lighter color. It's the 545 Warm Beige. I'm going to apply that all over on top of my other foundation.
So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibe.
And now I have this e.l.f. palette here, which I'll be using this color. And I just use it to just add a little sparkle to the top of my eyelids. Now, I know I don't want full coverage. I just want it light with a little bit of sparkle. And that's exactly what this gives me. I like the natural tone makeup. I don't like nothing heavy and stuff. I just like it still looking natural. Now I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild black eyeliner just to do my eyelids here. I just do my eyeliner if I'm going out fancy or having a party in my house, which I'm having my Thanksgiving dinner today. Yes, so you guys are getting ready with me for my Thanksgiving dinner. And I use the Maybelline mascara here in Jet Black. Apply it to my lashes. I don't wear false lashes. No, I can't put them on. But I love my mascara from when I was a teenager, and I still wear it every day. Now I'll be having this Annabelle lip liner, and it's in hazelnut, I think it is. No, espresso. Sorry, you guys. It's an espresso. So I just line my lips like that. And then I have this NYC lip gloss. The color is faded, so I can't tell you what color it is, but it's a pinkish color, which I like. And here is my finished look. Oh, I love it. See, there's my eye, just a little bit of glitter. I hope you can see it in the camera. Just a little bit of shine above my eyelids. And that's what I like. And I think it looks very nice. Very plain, but yet elegant and simple. Yeah, the natural look. That's what I call it. So like I was saying, no matter what, just fix up yourself nice. Do your makeup, do your hair, and you feel good. Yes, you do. Alright, everyone. This is the hair. My Milan curl. I absolutely love it. By Geniuswigs. It's nice and soft. All I added to it was just some water and conditioner and then some mousse to help hold the curls. And it has beautiful waves. Not really curls. I call it more of a wave. It has beautiful waves. And this is the back. The hair is full and nice and bouncy. Remember, it's 180 density. I love it. And look, here's the hairline. Pre-plucked. I didn't do no work at all. I just added some powder into my part, and that was it. I'm loving the hair. It's super nice. It's soft. And look at the hairline, you guys. OMG. Look how natural that looks. Look at it. Oh, it just melts right into my forehead. I love it. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love this wig. The Milan curl from Genius Hair Wigs. They're 18 inches, 180 density. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed my little makeup that I shared with you, how I apply my makeup. Like I said before, I'm in no way a makeup expert. I just share with you how I put on my makeup. Yes. So, like I showed you, I love this hair, this Milan curl they call it. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at it. The waves. It's more of a wave, but that makes it like that makes the wig very easy to just get up, put it on, and go. And all I used was just, like I told you before, I just used some mousse and some water and conditioner. That's all I used in the hair. The waves are just nice, so you don't need to do any wand curls, any flat iron curls, you know. But if you want to do those, the hair can be done that way too. Yes, it can. And you can flat iron it straight if you want. It's a versatile wig. Or if you just want to get up and go, it's ready for that too. So I am going to leave a link below to Genius Hair Company, Geniuswigs. I'll leave their link below so you guys can go over and check them out. And I think there's some coupon codes and stuff for you guys to have and use. Yes, so you get a discount on your unit that you buy. But this unit is very nice. Nice for the fall. It's 18 inches. It's not too long. It's not too short. I think it's a good length. And it's our Thanksgiving over here. So, like my title, get ready with me for Thanksgiving. Yeah, something like that. I'm putting the title. Yeah. But anyways, today's Thanksgiving. And like I said, I wanted to share my get ready with you guys for Thanksgiving. In Canada, I know in America, your Thanksgiving is in November, but ours is now in October. It's today is our Thanksgiving here in Canada, so it's a long weekend, and I have friends and family coming over, so you got ready with me for my Thanksgiving dinner. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link below to Geniuswigs, and you guys go over and check them out. Yes, and thank you so much for coming on and seeing my review with my makeup and my Genius Wig Milan curl, 18 inches, 180 density. It's a 13 by 6. Yes, 13 by 6, so it's a deep part, as you can see. And I am loving it because it's versatile, it's easy, it's get up and go out the door. Yeah. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.